We just hit session highs for the Dow Jones Industrials, S&P, and NASDAQ. So with just 2 minutes to go before the closing bell, it's time for a quiz. With the markets propelled by the blowout June jobs report, the test now is, where do you put your money for the second half? Kevin Caron is Stifel Nicolaus market strategist. All right, Kevin, we're going to put up our first question for you. Where do you put your money when it comes to nations? Do you keep it in the U.S. or do you keep it in Europe?
You keep it in the United States. The United States has long grown faster than Europe, doesn't have the same kind of structural overhangs that Europe has, and I think it's going to continue to do so. So I think you stay right here in the United States.
Right here in the United States. Okay, and there are different areas. The transports just hit a brand new high. They're about to close at an all-time high here. So is it transports or the beaten down commodities? You don't want to buy at the top, right?
No, you stick with, as an investor, you stick with the transports because the transports can grow their businesses along with a growing economy. The commodity prices tend to flop all over the place. So as investors, we want to stick with the thing that's tied to a growing economy, and that would be the transports, even though they may be a little bit expensive.
Gotcha. And for our final question of the quiz today, tech stocks. Do you keep them or ditch some of them, at least siphon off a bit of the profit that you've already made?
You take some profits if they don't make any sense anymore, but keep in mind tech is a fantastic generator of growth and with very good balance sheets. I think you want to stay long the group, but they have gotten a little bit ahead of themselves.
You should go to Pamplona and run with the bulls. You are bullish. Good to see you, Kevin. Thank you so much. Kevin Caron is Stifel Nicolaus market strategist. With the Dow up 93, it appears that all three major averages will end the week in the green. And there is the closing bell. Have a great Friday, everybody. David and Melissa, pick it up here for After the Bell.